So where are we going, Fletch?
We're going to Carlsbad.
To Carlsbad, and then where?
After we hang out and okay, for a little bit, we're going to the Six Stones.
Oh, San Francisco? That's a great place to go in your boat.
We got a Carlsbad.
What's that?
Next, we're going to jump out in the ocean. Next, we're going to jump
Hi,
out
Lily.
in the ocean. I jumped out in the ocean.
Out into the ocean? Wow.
There's a whale out there.
There's a what?
There's a whale out there.
Oh my goodness. What are we going to do?
We're getting close to it. There's a whale out there. Yeah.
Hey, Fletch, come here for a minute. You got goldfish all over your face. There you go.
Jump out in the ocean.
Where's your daddy? So you can get a picture of you.
Show me a big jump into the ocean, Fletch.
Why?
I want to see you jump into the ocean. Show me.
Whales can bite you, Mom. Whales can bite you.
They could.
They don't have. There's a whale out here, Mom.